You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from German. If you want to learn more confusing names from the history of Germany, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos to suggest to you. So let's listen to the German pronunciation and then how you can pronounce it in English. German Communist Official Erich Mielke. That's your German pronunciation here. Erich Mielke. In English, you can say it as Erich Mielke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.